production.
Yo. Damn, man. I've been gone for a week. It was my first week. I didn't post all year last week. I'm kind of rattled, but I had COVID, which sucks. So let's get back into these videos. Took a little bit of a break. I might take another longer break too. I got training at work, so the next 2 weeks you might not see too many NCB trades videos come up, but I will not be gone for too long. So we're gonna get into a bunch of charts here. We'll go PLTR first. This is the major line, right? So we've had this trend line that's been holding us since mid-May. Mid-May one touch, right around mid-June another, mid-July another, and we're at the very beginning of August here on the 9th, and it looks like we're starting to come back to this trend line. So again, you could adjust it a few different ways, right? You could do it like that and see how it plays out. But overall, like on the earnings, this drop, it's almost like we had this upward channel, rising channel kind of coming in, but I don't know how many touches that would have got, but definitely viable, right? You can move that around too. So like an upward channel, man, the way you want to play this is if it comes to your support, you buy. So technically it kind of does look like a buy signal. Like maybe we could come back up and create a lower high and get a head and shoulders pattern kind of developing. That's fair, and it's very possible for that to happen. Whoops, we'll move this. But essentially, like, here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and we leave two gaps behind. They're pretty decent gaps. Like in 2 days we dropped 16%, so that's quite a lot. So we might get something like we get a move to the upside here. So if you are playing this lower part of this channel or trend line and you want to play it, now would be the time to like make that bounce, right? And then make some sort of a lower high around this range, trying to fill this gap. That's how I look at it. That's how I see it. Let's see what it looks like on the weekly time frame. I don't know. Maybe we need a little bit more time in this bear market, right? Because something that is for sure in play is we're under the 8 and the 20. We just popped up, right? So this could be just a sign that we hit a resistance point. It could be further to go. This could be looked at as a bear flag in a way, right? A weekly bear flag. If we have like our pole here and we try to push up higher but we fail, and in the next few weeks maybe we slide. So those two kind of opportunities I'm looking at. We definitely got a trade in here that looks like it's developing on the daily, where the trade would be I keep messing that tool up, eh? We play the trade from the bottom of this trend line, get the bounce. Hopefully it'll fill the gap here. I'm not taking this trade. This is just what I'm looking for in PLTR. And then we create a right shoulder, which would complete this like reversing trend pattern here, right? So we would go something like this, right? And then we break below, which would make sense. And maybe we revisit the lows in late September or something like that. Who knows? That's a possibility. But that's a breakdown there on PLTR. Peace.